Hello friends, hope y'all are doing great. In this video, we'll be seeing the recipe for restaurant style chicken lollipop. So let's go ahead and check out the ingredients required. So here I've taken 500 grams of chicken lollipop, into which I'm adding in the juice of 1 lime, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and finally half a teaspoon of crushed pepper. Now give all this a good mix and set it aside for at least an hour. If you're able to marinate and leave it overnight, that would be great. Now let's see what are the ingredients required to prepare the batter. Into a mixing bowl, add in 1/4 cup of corn flour and then half a cup of Maida or all-purpose flour, and then salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give all this a good mix and then add in water slowly, a little at a time, and prepare a slightly thick batter. Here I have heated the oil in a pan. So once the oil is hot, let's pick 1 chicken lollipop and dip it into the batter and drop it slowly into the oil. Repeat the same process with the other chicken lollipops and fry everything at medium heat. So there you go, our chicken lollipop is ready. So friends, I hope you all liked this video of mine. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I'm very glad to have you here. Please do not leave without hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it, so as to stay updated of all the new videos which I post on to my channel. Until I see you all the next time, eat healthy, eat homemade, and stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.